What's going on, peeps? And in this video I'll be talking about affiliate marketing and how easy it is to get started in affiliate marketing and how you can earn money without even owning a product. So let's go ahead and dive right into my computer, and I'll show you guys a few tricks and some secrets here, and we'll go ahead and just dive right in. All right, awesome. So we're here on my computer and we're at JVZoo.com, which is a pretty well-known affiliate marketplace. And this is where you can just go and you can sign up for free. So it's pretty cool. We're here on the website. It's literally just JVZoo.com. And pretty much a lot of marketers that already have been marketing have heard of this. But if you haven't, great place to go to get pretty great products to promote. And so we'll go ahead and just kind of show you an overview of what JVZoo is. You can literally just go in here, watch a video, and it shows you a little bit overview about JVZoo. You can come in and you can basically, when you sign up, you come to one of these programs and you literally just request permission to promote their product. And as you can see there, they collected the link in this quick video right here. And what you would want to do is you would want to copy and paste that link into whatever social media network you're using, whether it be Facebook or YouTube. Now with Facebook, they don't allow they like to block JVZoo links because they people like to spam, but not saying that JVZoo promotes spammy stuff, which they have a lot of great products here. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll show you some secret tricks for promoting the best products. And so Facebook likes to block them. So what you're going to have to do in a more advanced method is you would want to go in and purchase a link cloaker or like a link tracking service. There's several out there. You can just type in link cloaker or link tracking service, and there's plenty out there. There's like Click Magic, there's Link Wizard, which is a newer one. Basically you can cloak the link where Facebook doesn't block it. I think it's only like $12 a month for like Click Magic, which does a numerous amount of amazing different features on there. So it's a pretty great service. Especially if you're going to be driving traffic to these affiliate offers, it's definitely something that's worth it. You can promote this on YouTube, whatever you guys have, your audience, your email list. You just go in and you select a product that you would like to promote. And as you can see here, it has the breakdown of how much commission you'll get and all that good stuff. I don't want to log in at this moment in time just because I'll have to use my username and password, which I don't want to show video. But literally, you just start promoting on JVZoo, and you can even become a seller if you are creating your own digital products, software, or whatever the case may be. You can sell it on JVZoo and have affiliates, promote that product for you. So, it's a very cool platform. Over the years, that it's gotten better and better and better. When this thing was, like 5 years ago, the platform was definitely not. It was definitely similar, but it was definitely not as good as it was. But I believe it's getting better. They have more integrations. You can integrate it to your email list if you're a seller. I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff you can do with it, but I won't go into detail about all that. And if you purchase through JVZoo, a product there, you can literally just find your purchase right on here. You obviously log in, you got features. But for those of you that have been sticking around on this whole video, I'm going to show you this website here. It's called munchcom, and it literally shows you the best launches right here. It says big launches. So if you're already familiar with JVZoo, then you can actually go in and go to munchcom, and it will kind of show you. It looks like here there's a ClickBank one. You got some Warrior Plus ones. So this has a few different websites that it tracks, but it literally shows some of the biggest launches right here. It looks like you have the highlighted ones are obviously like the bigger launches. And if you actually log into JVZoo itself, it'll show you premier sellers. It has like a little diamond next to their name. So when you log in and you go to find products to promote, You kind of want to look for that. That's what I look for, or sellers that have been on there for a long time and they have reputable names. Josh Zamora, Cindio, that's a pretty good one. But anyways, you can find really big launches right here. All the launches are on the right. Just launched. So it's definitely a cool website where you can go in and just kind of see bird's eye view of overall affiliate marketing, you know, some of the bigger launches that you can definitely cash in on. As far as you promote these, like I said, if you're doing it on Facebook or whatever, you definitely kind of want to have a link cloaker. There's different methods you can use on Facebook, but that's one of the better methods to use. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about Munchai, and if you guys are having any troubles with affiliate marketing, drop a comment below. Love to see how you guys are doing. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share this video, and I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys at the beaches of the world and at the bank.